So we can write our names on our bed. Oh, yeah, right.
This is Piper, Vance, Finn. We're pretty experienced RVers as a family. We've traveled from here in California up to the coast multiple times to Washington and all the way across to New York and into Ontario, Canada. As our family has slowly grown in our current bunkhouse, we were looking at some other options for a trailer that's going to comfortably fit all of us, plus our friends, my in-laws as well. And that can be reliable and provide us what we need in our adventures. What do you guys think? Who's excited?
Me.
Who's super excited? Yeah? Is excitement just arms up, or is it loud excitement voices?
Loud excitement.
Show me your loud excitement voice.
I like the bunks and TV setup and all that. And the outdoor kitchen, because I like cooking and it's fun. Like homemade noodles, spaghetti.
I started first with the typical online, looking at the different models, YouTube videos, and things like that, and starting to narrow down the things that look cool, comfortable for our family, is going to be a good ride for our truck, the overall amenities that it provides. And we decided as one of our stops here to stop at Mike Thompson RV after a large trip we just took. And we proceeded to look at all the different brands on here that we liked, the Brinkleys and the Grand Designs. And we actually have a current Forest River product as well. And we use that as our starting point, and then, you know, tour them around, find which one's going to fit. Our sales associates, Billy and Mike, were very helpful in providing us some guidance. They changed my mind a little bit, narrowed it down to something that's going to be more accommodating for my family and allow us to give everyone a comfortable situation to sleep. The technical details and the specs that were provided on the Grand Design that I didn't know enough about, Billy was really able to key in and feature on those points and give me my time in the trailer to see what I like, what I don't like, and made himself immediately available to answer any questions. Even though it was a busy day, actually, he made a lot of time for us and gave us a moment there to figure out, hey, what's going to be the best. They were able to speak very highly on the differences between both of those models at the time of what we were looking for. Like most trailer lots, you know, they're open but they're not on. They took the time to plug it in, turn it on, make sure we've seen how things work, you know, and will this be a fit for us? And knowing that we're experienced, I mean, helped a lot too, because it gave them the ability to really, you know, focus on different things and higher technical details that, you know, a newer buyer might not quite see the same as an experienced buyer. Originally, you know, the amenities in our first look wasn't so much of a large, like, living communal space, because we're a family of community, you know, as we got a group of people behind you that are with us all the time too. What they were capable of doing is allowing us to select the amenities we properly needed. We really were happy that this had a lot larger, like, kind of community space around the kitchen, the island, the couches, the dinette, and all that. And two, at the end of the night, when we're done from being outside, or if it's rainy indoors, we're able to have enough sleeping areas for each individual versus, you know, 2 kids in one bed, or a dad and mom in one bed, or whatever. The team here gave me all the options very quickly within about 20 minutes of what we can do and not do and how we can do it, structure it, and that's what we kind of went with. And we bought this Thursday. It is now Saturday and it's ready. So all that prep, the little extra work that needs to be done to make sure it's good and ready to go, because it is fresh from the factory the day I showed up, they've been able to do that pretty quickly. I mean, it's been good so far. I love everything about it. A better understanding of how our RV warranty and services are going to work is great, because we didn't know that. You know, we had to learn on the fly in the first adventure. This second adventure, I feel like it would have been a little bit easier for a new person if I would have came here first to understand what I could do and not do. There's always a learning curve, you know, and for anyone that's in the RV industry, you're out seeking adventure and learning. It's the same thing as, you know, buying one and driving it. It's the learning curve for all of us. And I really feel that, like, you know, if I have any questions, Mike and Billy would be really available very quickly via text to provide me what I need.
Mike Thompson RV, yay!
Okay. Wow, sold.